Alright guys, this is probably going to be my last video of these garage doors. So, my and friends decided to get an upgrade and get new garage doors. And if they get new garage door openers, I'll be ready to take another video right away. But for now, we have these. So, here's the lights. In the last video, you didn't get a very good view, so under here, have learn, lock, motion sensor switch, right here, and the timer to close switch. What's the one with this one? So I'll open the left door first. Here you go. And by the way, I lubricated these doors. Now I'll open the other door. All right, close it. And close the other door. Alright, now let me open them both at the same time. Okay, so now I'm going to go outside. So here we have a keypad. And I'll hit the enter button to close it. Okay. And now I'll go back inside to close the other door. Yeah, and by the way, if anyone knows where those repeated little squeaks are coming from, please let me know because my opener is starting to make that noise too. Let me open it back up for you. Okay. I'm gonna go back outside now. And I'll use the code to open this door from the keypad. All right, I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna close them both at the same time. Okay. Very nice and quiet. And oh yeah, in the first video I didn't know if these were insulated wood doors, but yes, these are insulated. So these are Chamberlain belt drives with a 3 or 4, I think, piece rail. And here we still have our filling from the hole. Sorry, you can't see it very well. And then over here, notice this hinge. Pull off the door somehow. You could just drill a bigger hole and drill back in, but. And then it's this. Which one was it? I forget things. Oh yeah, this one. Missing a screw there. Here are safety sensors. Okay, now I'm gonna open and close them a couple more times. And then that will be it. Alright, thanks for watching.